Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna share you how to make pork chili at home. So I have chopped all the veggies I want to add on my dish. You can add more if you want. Don't forget to boil your pork before you cook. Minimum 15 or 20 minutes with salt. Now I have done with all my ingredients, so let's get started. Take a small amount of oil and leave it for 10 seconds. Add the onions and the beans and mix them and leave them for a while, and again mix them. Now add the tomatoes mix all the ingredients and leave them for 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's done with the veggies. Place it in a plate or in a bowl and keep it aside for a while. Now it's turn to deep fry the pork and sprinkle a chutki bar namak. Okay, so it's deep fried now, and I'm gonna take it out and place it in a plate. And also I'm gonna minimize the oil because we don't need much oil. I have already minimized the oil. Now I'm gonna add all the veggies again and mix them. Now I'm gonna add small teaspoon of chili powder and mix them well. Now I'm gonna add the pork and again mix them with veggies. At last, add the soy sauce. Mix all the ingredients very well and ta-da, your homemade pork chili is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.